everyone, welcome to the 7th episode of our Adobe Illustrator series. In this lesson, we are going to learn about what's logo design, types of logos, principle of good logo design, and logo design process. And we will design a logo at the end of the video. Stay with me. What is logo design? A logo is a visual symbol that represents a brand, organization, or product. It helps people recognize and remember the identity of the company. Like below exams. We have many types of logos. For example, word mark, letter mark, pictorial mark, abstract logo, combination mark, and emblem. Word mark is a company name in a unique font. Letter mark, initial of the company. Pictorial mark, an icon or graphic-based design. Abstract logo, a geometric shape or symbol. Combination mark is text and symbol or icon. And the last one is emblem. It's text inside a symbol. And here we have principle of good logo design. We must make it simple, memorable, timeless, versatile, and works in color, black and white, and small size, and relevant to the brand. Logo design process. First of all, we need research, understand the brand, its value and audience. The second part is sketch our ideas, start on paper or digitally, and choose typography and colors, match the brand's tone. The fourth step is create an Illustrator. Use vector tools to build clean and scalable logos. And the last one is refine and test. Get feedback, test in different size and colors. Okay, now I have an idea. I want to make a logo or make a design for a brand by the name of Afghan Tech Association. The name of the brand is Afghan Tech Association. Theme keywords are Afghanistan, technology, connection, innovation, growth, unity, and etc. that we can give enough idea from this. We have color ideas, blue for technology and trust, green or teal for growth and innovation, and red or orange for energy, Afghanistan, and more. Let's make one design with each other now. I'm using the pen tool here to create the entire design that I have in my mind. After that, I apply color to the shapes and also add text. Now I am getting the map of Afghanistan from Google and adding it here. Then I use the pen tool to redesign the map in my own style. After that, I add color again, and finally I place the logo designed earlier inside the map. What we covered today. Today we covered what's logo design, types of logos, principle of good logo design, and logo idea for Afghan Tech Association. For the next time we are going to design a brochure and a visit card. Stay with us, it's a very fantastic session. If you have any questions or ideas, you can drop them in the comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.